This is another installment of the pronoun video series. If you want to see the other pronoun videos, you can check out the playlist that I have made. Well, in today's lesson, we will cover the pronoun ear, another third-person singular pronoun, and how it behaves against another third-person singular pronoun dear. Before we begin, just a quick reminder. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video so that this channel can grow more. Thank you. Well, based on the latest dictionary of Malay grammar, which is Kamus Dewan Perdana, ia refers to third-person singular pronoun and also to non-human. Let's move on to ia versus dia. To ease the understanding of its meaning in English, ia means it. Dia means he or she. You can check out the previous video for the pronoun dia, where I have elaborated more with sample sentences there. Click the information here on top for the video. Now, let's go further into the pronoun ia. The rule is, if you have the idea of calling something as it in English, then using ia in Malay is colloquially appropriate. For human, always use dia. But of course, there are other more appropriate third-person pronoun for people who has higher ranks in the society, like the Prime Minister, royal families, and etc. We will not cover them in this lesson though. Is ia and dia interchangeable? Grammatically, you can replace ia with dia, but colloquially, it depends. Let's move on to the examples to see it clearly. The first example, kereta itu cantik. Ia sangat mahal. Kereta itu cantik. Ia sangat mahal. That car is beautiful. It is very expensive. The second example, kucing ini comel. Ia suka bermain. Kucing ini comel. Ia suka bermain. This cat is cute. It is playful. Some people will use dia instead of ia here, probably because it is a living object or because it is a pet. Well, for me, honestly, I use dia in my daily conversation for my pets. The next example, wabak COVID-19 masih belum tamat. Ia tidak akan tamat dengan sekelip mata. Wabak COVID-19 masih belum tamat. Ia tidak akan tamat dengan sekelip mata. The COVID-19 pandemic has not ended yet. It will not end in the blink of an eye. If you read the news, watch news broadcast or conference, the word ia is frequently used to refer to a subject or concept discussed before. The next example, program itu sangat menarik. Ia baru bermula bulan ini. Program itu sangat menarik. Ia baru bermula bulan ini. That program is very interesting. It just started this month. The next example, mata kucing itu sangat cantik. Matanya berwarna biru. Mata kucing itu sangat cantik. Matanya berwarna biru. That cat's eye is very beautiful. Her eye's color is blue. The next example is bunga matahari berwarna kuning. Daunnya berwarna hijau. Bunga matahari berwarna kuning. Daunnya berwarna hijau. The color of sunflower is yellow. Its leaf is green. Bilakah pandemik COVID ini akan tamat? Ianya akan tamat hujung tahun ini. Bilakah pandemik COVID ini akan tamat? Ianya akan tamat hujung tahun ini. When will this COVID-19 pandemic end? It will end at the end of the year. In this example, ianya is wrong. It is an error here. Never use ia with the suffix nya. Only use ia here because both ia and nya is the third person singular pronoun for the same thing, referring to pandemic COVID-19 or COVID-19 pandemic. We are totally repeating the same third plural singular pronoun in this case. In summary, do you think you can use ia better now? Colloquially, of course. Remember the rules. Ia for non-human and dia is for human. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to send me a comment. Please subscribe and like the video so that the channel can grow more. Terima kasih.